In this presentation, I will compare the online shopping platforms offered by Woolworth and Coles. In my analysis, I will compare their approach to design and iterate on different evaluations that could be addressed through it. The task outline that my two user persona will undergo for Woolworth and Coles are: setting the location to the nearest place with the pickup option, purchasing the following items: 5 vanilla ice cream tubs, 1 cup of almonds, then deleting 1 ice cream tub. This is Ruth. She's never shopped online for groceries, and as a full-time student, she usually relies on her mother to purchase everyday items. However, she is a spontaneous shopper when it comes to shopping for personal items. This is Selena. Like Ruth, she has never purchased groceries online, and she prefers to inspect the freshness of the items and relies on her mother to purchase groceries for her. She, however, is a spontaneous shopper when shopping for personal items. For task 1, the overall experience for Ruth using Woolworth was confusing, as visually she couldn't locate the delivery section, and she was frustrated with having to sign up and enter a verification code. This can be a tedious process for users who want the option to purchase as a guest. Nevertheless, the fact that Woolworth provides information for the closet and store and provides the option to select a day and time gives flexibility for someone with a busy schedule. For Selena, the delivery section was easy to locate. Similarly, she was disappointed with having to sign up with having no option of a guest feature. For Coles, Ruth and Selena were offered limited options when it came to choosing a delivery method. Both users had very little trouble locating the delivery component. However, Coles' interface lacked the option of pickup and was limited to very few addresses. This left a lasting impression of dissatisfaction and irritation. Through task 2, both users are satisfied with the overall presentation of Woolworth's product layout. It was straightforward, with the search bar being visible to the naked eye, making it easy for them to locate their desired things. Furthermore, the plus and buttons make it easy to apply the correct amount. Both users have expressed irritation with the lack of a facility to conduct specific things, as well as mistakenly clicking too many items without realizing it. For example, while ordering 1 cup of peanuts, you must apply knowledge to get the right amount. For Coles, both users are pleased with the clarity of the search bar, as well as the approach to grid layout is comparable to Woolworth's. There were various flaws, with the Add 1 for $8 feature being extremely complex and not as apparent as the plus and features. Furthermore, wanting to add more items requires clicking on the arrow button, which might be unnoticed to some users. Woolworth Online emphasizes a lot of user-friendly features. This is evident in the presentation of the navigation of products, highlighting like going to a physical shop when choosing your products as it categories and subcategories to be more specific. Some products are also more visible with the tag special, proving it to link our experiences when purchasing items, as we often choose specific products with lower prices. Woolworth Online allows users to be in control of their task flow and process. This is adopted with the choice of choosing what to purchase through the category list or using the search button. Moreover, through purchasing an item, there is freedom for users to filter out items such as the option to choose specific brands, dietary requirements, or health star ratings. Changing the amount and the flexibility to delete a product individually or all items in the checkout section are also workable for users. Coles Online highlights similarly to Woolworth when interacting from the system to the real world. This includes the special section and the use of icons such as trolley references, which are easily identified in the real world. The category section also symbolizes browsing in an aisle with a visual logo to graphically appeal to users. Furthermore, the interface has flexibility for users to choose what to purchase with a filter button, however, is very limited to only brands. The platform has also the option to remove certain or all items, and during both checkout and product selection, an exit button is always present persistently at the top left. The Woolworth interface is focused on its mental models to provide users with connections and presentations. Using icons and navigation, this is accomplished by interpreting the real-world experience of shopping. You can see this from shopping carts, delivery trucks, and catalog icons, as well as from the categories navigation. With a systematic grid system beneath the Welcome to Woolworth, the interface provides a seamless layout that provides a better experience. The color scheme and fonts tie well together with the minimalist tones of green, white, and gray. Coles' interface shares many features with Woolworth's mental models. A few examples of this are icons and navigation being translated to the real world, and that the fonts and colors: red, black, white, and beige are consistent. However, a portion of users may find the presentation confusing due to its limits. You can see this from the way the categories are laid out at the bottom of the page. The key design issue that can be resolved for Woolworth is the sign-up process being too long. It is significant if there is an option for a guest feature. For Coles, they can work on the feature of add one for $8 by switching to the plus and feature and more variety of options for their delivery. Finally, both should concentrate on quantity management by using a tiny pop-up to display the number of products purchased.